So hello everyone. So in my previous video, if you notice, I was talking about natural gas trading at uh, around 4.95, and I
Talking about
was
natural gas
pretty sure like it is
prices.
going to hit around
So it's one of the most funniest
below
instrument, one of
4.85.
the most funniest commodity that I have seen till date. You see crude oil, you see nothing funny. Like it doesn't soar without the reason. But
So I'm
just
playing the
look at
last
natural
video.
gas when the winter started and how much it has soared till now. Okay, the winter started by around the last week of November, probably. Okay, so the last week pricing for November was around these levels. Okay, it was around these levels. Okay, 4.48. So let this be an average. Let this be an average over here. Okay, that is coming approximately around 4.4 level. Okay, so is it a believable thing like a commodity all of a sudden because of drop in temperature the pricing.
So here, what I personally believe, there is someone who is trying to increase the prices of natural gas, like certain commodities. It usually happens in natural gas. I have seen it in the past. Like there will be all of a sudden there will be surge, and the surge will continue for a couple of days, maybe sometimes. But that doesn't last for long. Even though the factors right now, the weather conditions, they are kind of supporting rise in demand, but rise in demand is not that high right now. It's inflated price. That is the point.
Is by 10% while the price is already inflated. So that is one of the reasons I don't really understand who is purchasing natural gas for like for such high values, for such high levels, and who can sustain these levels. Are these levels sustainable? So no, not at all. Is it a polar vortex kind of cold that has hit? Is it Arctic blast? No, it's not Arctic blast. Is Arctic blast coming? Is on its way? No, Arctic blast is not on its way. It's not coming anytime soon. So that was the fear people had that Arctic blast might hit from Canada to United States, to northern part of United States to Minnesota, and then again come towards the south. That was the belief, but right now it doesn't look like that. Okay, but still, some this instrument natural gas, for some reason, it is still soaring higher and higher. I am not sure what could be the reason here. Uh, and I really doubt like who is purchasing natural gas by this volume. The volumes are also being terrific. I am not sure who is buying this many, by natural gas by this many volume at these higher levels, which I feel like is completely is a very bad idea at this high levels. Buying in deep is something it's fine, but buying at anything above 4.85, I think it will be a very stupid decision. 4.8 above 4.85, this commodity is not going to sustain. 4.85 is like it should have been the top, but right now
So I gave the level here, like the top level should be 4.85, and if you see right now, it has not been able to sustain 4.85 level since long time now. It started at around. It started to show indicators of overbought starting from these levels. When this I recorded this video when it was trading around these levels. All right. So right now it is trading at below 4.5, 4.85. And coming to the target, like in this video, I'll be talking about the target for natural gas. So the target should be around 4.87, around this level. 4.87 is on the top. I said 4.85, so it looks like it will sustain below 4.85. It will try, but the target should be 4.87, and towards the bottom the target should be around 4.73, 4.7273. So if natural gas comes around 4.73, I am definitely gonna get into the trade. I'll definitely buy. Right now I'm still in trade. I'm shorting it. I've sold a few call options. Yeah, but I'll take the reversal trade once it is coming close around 4.73. Anywhere between 4.76, just like I mentioned in my previous video, in between 4.76 and 4.73, I'll definitely take a trade reversal from there. I'll probably sell some put options right about at this support, 4.6 support. That looks very strong. 4.6 support looks very, very strong. This support is extremely strong, and look at this, it's extremely strong support for in near term. I think the cycle is going to change from 7th of December, so that is when I think the support is going to be tested. 4.6 support by 6th of December. Until 6th of December, I think that the support is going to sustain easily above all these levels. But by 6th of December, this can be tested. So you should take trades definitely, like considering that as a fact. But yeah, but this is going to be very, very interesting, considering it is right now have going through a dip, and we will see like to what extent the dip extends. If it drops below 4.73, then it will be an indicator like it is trying to test 4.6 level. So 4.6 level is something I'm closely watching. On the top side, 4.87 and 85, these are the levels. 87 being the topmost. Yeah, I don't think it will sustain above 87 for sure, but 85 is also something which is having a great resistance. 4.85. So yeah, we're shorting natural gas right now, and we'll wait natural like till the levels come around 4.76, 4.73, or it hits around 4.6. We'll see that. We'll follow the trend line and we'll take decision accordingly. So this ends the video right now. So I gave you the trade what are the levels that you can trade on, and what are the things that you're supposed to look into before you take any trade. So that's all, man. And that's all I have to talk about in this video. It's already late in the night. It's already 2:30. I was working on something. I really have my working hours are really long. I work for around 14 to 16 hours every day, and it's extremely stressful. So that's the reason I'm not able to continue the 10% challenge, because it's very exhaustive. We started with 12,000 rupees. We added a bit of money in between, around 1.2 lakhs. Right now, our total profit stands around, you won't believe it, like no one is going to believe it. It stands around 2 lakhs. So we started with around maybe, yeah, we already doubled the money right now. I'm not sharing the verified profits right now in my channel, and actually don't have enough. Yeah, I know there is some way to do that, but I've never done that before, so I'm not aware of the process. I check it out, and I'll try to see if I can share my verified PNL on this channel, so that people can know whether the trades that I take are actually working or not, or this is just a fake channel like many others. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have a great time. Good night.